Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is My Love. Today I am going to focus on an exotic fruit, Peruvian cherry, golden cherry, Chinese lantern, Inca berry, ground cherry, gooseberry, golden berry, physalis in English, and it's called raspberry in India, and it is called with many other names all over the world. So Cape gooseberries are rich in vitamins, antioxidants and soluble fiber. They can help boost your immunity and control high blood pressure. You can use them as healthy snack or use them as topping for desserts and in puddings. Did you ever know that Cape gooseberries contain more antioxidants than broccoli, apples and pomegranates? Let me list down a few benefits of Cape gooseberries. Cape gooseberries are storehouse of vitamin C and antioxidants. They contain more vitamin C than your lemons and other citrus fruits. A person's 18% requirement of vitamin C can be met. This will help in increasing your immunity and also brighten your skin. The second major benefit is they are excellent for your eyes. They are rich in vitamin A, which improves your eyesight and immunity. They provide 14% of your daily requirement of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes and prevents cataracts and age-related eye problems. The third major benefit is they control your high blood pressure. Due to the presence of phytochemicals such as polyphenols and carotenoids along with the soluble pectin fiber, it keeps your bad cholesterol levels in check. The fourth major benefit is bone strength. Being high in calcium and phosphorus, these berries help in making your bones stronger and healthier. The fifth major benefit is they control diabetes. They contain immense soluble fiber like fructose, which can lower the blood glucose levels. And the sixth major benefit is it promotes weight loss. Being low in fat and calories, a handful of Cape gooseberries make a great snack. Toss them in your bowlful of snacks, veggies and salads. The seventh major benefit is it eases digestion. The presence of pectin fiber in Cape gooseberries helps to calm your disturbed stomach. It cools your gastrointestinal tract. And the eighth major benefit is anti-inflammatory properties. They are rich in anthocyanins, which prevents inflammation caused by pain and redness. And the last major benefit is they fight cold and flu. They can protect you against common cold and flu attacks. Consume them with tea or hot water at least twice a day. Then why wait? Toss a few Cape gooseberries or raspberries in your daily snacks, veggies, salads and enjoy. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Continue to watch my channel. Gardening is my love. Thank you.